You know, if you're really into that charming cottage look, when it comes to the garden, there's nothing better than to have a border of flowers along a pathway. Just look at these tulips and pansies, two classic old-fashioned favorites. But what's so interesting, I think, if you want to create mystery in a garden, suspense, intrigue, if you want to draw a visitor through, if you can come through a hedge or a gate and on this side have one colorway, and then you come through here and then boom, you see an entirely different colorway. What a surprise. But I just want to point out one thing. Yes, it's a different colorway, but there are three different types of tulips used here. On the other side of the gate, there was a white, a yellow, and an orange. Here, there's a pink, a purple, and an orange. You see, the orange is what connects one colorway pathway border to the next border. That's what we have here. And then take a look over here underneath the bell, because it's the same colorway that I was talking about. And you can see the importance of that orange in here, which I think really is such a warm tone. So you have this contrast between these cool reds and pinks with this orange, the warm colors. That's what makes it so brilliant and attractive to us visually. From the Garden Home, I'm Alan Smith.